To clean or replace the air filter on your Sportsman 850 or 850 Highlifter, follow these steps. Place the transmission in park. Set the parking brake. Squeeze the seat latch and pull up on the seat to remove it. Remove the rubber end of the clutch duct. Remove the rubber strap and remove the airbox cover. With the cover removed, inspect the seal. If it's worn or damaged in any way, the seal will need to be replaced. On Sportsman 850 Highlifter Edition models, remove the cover with a T27 Torx socket. On the Highlifter model, the seal is on the airbox and not the cover. Again, inspect the seal for wear or damage and replace if necessary. Remove the filter by pulling rearward. Remove the fabric-type pre-filter from the main filter and inspect the pre-filter. Wash the pre-filter with hot soapy water and air dry. Inspect the main filter and replace if necessary. Wipe the airbox. Reinstall the pre-filter onto the main filter. Be sure the screen covers the entire surface of the main filter without folds, creases, or gaps. Install the air filter into the airbox, making sure that it's fully seated. Proper placement of the air filter is important to prevent air leaks. Reinstall the airbox cover and the strap retaining the cover. Reinstall the rubber end of the clutch duct. On the Highlifter model, reinstall the cover and the screws for the retaining cover. Tighten until the cover is sealed. Install the seat by lining up the locators in front and pushing down on the rear of the seat. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.